Breaking news, Nigerians. Congratulations to EMEFIELE. See the fresh updates on the case against his detention. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. The fate of the basic human rights lawsuit Godwin EMEFIELE filed to contest his arrest and imprisonment by the Department of State Services will be decided today. EMEFIELE is the detained and suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. Record that the DSS detained the governor of the top bank on June 10, just after President Bola Tinubu had removed him from office and commissioned an investigation into the CBN. EMEFIELE claims that his human rights have been violated in the lawsuit he filed before the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja through his attorney Joseph Daudu San. The Attorney General of the Federation, the Director General of the DSS, and the DSS have all been named as respondents in the lawsuit. In the preliminary objections, they have questioned the court's authority to hear their case and requested that it be dismissed. The DSS informed Justice Hamza Mauzu at the June 20 sitting in the case that EMEFIELE's detention was illegal because the DSS had obtained an order from an FCT Chief Magistrate Court to hold him in custody pending completion of the investigation. AGF's attorney, Tajini Gahazili San, urged the court not to get involved, saying that EMEFIELE's arrest and incarceration by the DSS were administrative decisions made by the executive branch of government. EMEFIELE's attorney Dauda dissented from them and insisted that the case had validity. Justice Mauzu postponed his decision on whether or not he has the authority to hear the case and take into account EMEFIELE's pleas until today. Record that many human rights activists had earlier called upon the DSX to release EMEFIELE, arguing that his contentious detention is against the fundamental human rights. So guys, you've all heard it now. Even all these ones when they do now washing, we understand that nothing is going to come out from this case. Make una watch this thing when they tell you now. How can a corrupt government fight corruption? If you are telling us that you are serious about fighting about this corruption, please start from the head. You cannot leave the former president Muhammadu Buhari out of this. If you are talking about the new Naira redesign saga that added more hardship to Nigerians, the former president Muhammadu Buhari, he was the instructor. So he was taking directives from the CBN governor, EMEFIELE. The CBN governor was taking directives from him. I beg your pardon. You understand? So, we can only take these people serious when they show us that they are serious. But the way the matter we just watch them anyway. We know say na drama, they always they act. Meanwhile, court orders DSS to charge or release EMEFIELE within 7 days. Now that one now be the new one. EMEFIELE's counsel Joseph, a senior advocate of Nigeria, San, said the application for bail would be processed while hoping it will be granted. Record that DSS detained the governor of the top bank on June 10, just after President Bola Tinubu had removed him from office and commissioned an investigation into the CBN. EMEFIELE claims that his human rights, have been violated in the lawsuit he filed before the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja through his Attorney General, Joseph Daudu. The Attorney General of the Federation, the Director General of the DSX, and the DSS have all been named as respondents in the lawsuit. In their preliminary objections, they have questioned the court's authority to hear their case and requested that it be dismissed. So the DSS informed Justice Amzad at the June 12th sitting in the case that EMEFIELE's detention was illegal because the DSS had obtained an order from an FCT Chief Magistrate's Court to hold him in custody pending completion of the investigation. AGF's attorney, Tijani, urged the court not to get involved, saying that EMEFIELE's arrest and incarceration by the DSS were administrative decisions made by the executive branch of government. The EMEFIELE's attorney Dauda dissented from them and insisted that the case had validity. So Justice Amza postponed his decision on whether or not he has the authority to hear the case and take into account EMEFIELE's pleas. Okay, today. So guys, this is just the it now. So we are watching how this will unfold. But I'm still saying it that this case is good as dead. So all these things when they do, now just make Nigerians fix say whatsoever. This case is not going anywhere. This case is not going anywhere. Well, I'm dropping it. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.